Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Instapage easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type Instapage in the search bar. Click on the official Instapage website link. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. Here, you can choose between different account options. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Next, check the box agreeing to the terms of service. If applicable, opt for any additional features you want. Click the Create My Account button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Instapage. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will redirect you back to the Instapage dashboard. You may be asked to complete an onboarding process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferences. Once that's done, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself. Congratulations, you are now registered for Instapage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.